Welcome back to another episode of Motorcycle Enhancements. Here we have this beautiful, what year is it? Benelli?
68.
It's 1968 Benelli. And it's been restored by the client, and he's done a phenomenal job. Usually I make videos of what not to do. Well, this one is what to do. This guy's done awesome work with the details, and I'll go over the details. He's found some nice original Benelli emblems, little detail with the made in Italy sticker. The chrome on it looks impeccable, polished up the wheels. He's painted the frame a little different color than the rest of the body. He's installed Clubman bars on it. Again, the detail with the little vinyl hose for the overflow, little rubber grommets for the cables, tires. They're like factory original tires, and he went as far as finding the actual ignition spark plug wire that actually says Benelli on it. So attention to detail is like, I give this thing a 10 on 10. There you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. I give this a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe in our video. Have a great day.